Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today I'm going to show you how to solve this fractional simple equation. What we do is a solution. X plus 3 all over 2 equals to 6. Next step, we cross multiply. When we have equal to sign, what we do, we cross multiply. We make 6 to become a fraction. Any number is over 1. It makes it fraction. When we cross multiply, 1 times the numerator of the right hand side, which gives us x plus 3 times 1, which is the same thing as that 10, equals to 2 times 6, gives us 12. Next step, we collect the like terms. We collect like terms. We are going to have x equal to 12. 3 crossing the sign of equality becomes minus 3. Then finally, x is equals to 12 minus 3, which is 9 as the answer. Let's use another method to approach this question. In this case, instead of saying cross multiply, we say multiply through by the LCM. What is the LCM of the denominator? We have this is over 1. What is the LCM of 1 and 2? LCM is 2. If we multiply through by the LCM, then the numerator we are going to have 2 times x plus 3 all over 2 equals to 2 times 6 all over 1. And when we do that, 2 will cancel 2, left with x plus 3 equals to 2 times 6 gives us 12, which forms linear equation. At this point, we collect like terms. Collecting like terms meaning number to one side. Then the alphabet x remain on one side, which gives us x equal to 12 minus 3. Plus crosses sign of equality changes to minus, then our final answer becomes 9 as the answer. Now, to check if our answer is correct, we write check. We have to write the original equation, which is s plus 3 all over 2 equals to 6. Now we have to put our answer, which is 9, put 9 equals to x. Wherever we see x, we put 9. Then we are having 9 plus 3 all over 2 equal to 6. Is that true? Let's check. 9 plus 3 gives us 12. 12 divided by 2, is it 6? Yes. Then we have 6 equals to 6. The left hand side is equals to the right hand side, meaning our equation is correct. Now do this for me and leave your answer in the comment section. X plus 5 all over 3 equals to 2. Use any of the method, you will arrive at the same answer. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.